Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hinge plate for your dryer. The reason why you would have to do this is because the hinge plate is damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver and a screwdriver with a T25 Torx bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we'll be using. It's a Maytag Maxima X. Keep in mind that yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So the first thing we need to do is open up our dryer door, and the next thing we have to do is remove the hinge from the bulkhead here. So we've got 4 screws, and we're going to be using our T25 Torx bit in order to get these off. And now that we've removed the last screw, we can lift up on the door and it'll all come out, and we can set the door down. Now we're going to have to get this door panel off, and in order to do that, we're going to have to remove 13 total of these Phillips head screws. Now that we've got the screws out, we'll be able to separate these two panels. So now I'm going to take out the screws from the hinge cover. Now that we've got all of our screws off, the hinge cover will come straight off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement hinge plate. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And now we can take our hinge cover, and we're going to just make sure that everything is properly lined up there before we put it on. And then we can put it on and screw it back in. And now we'll put the door back together. So we're going to just kind of line this up as best as we can. You'll notice on the sides here, there are a couple of tabs with a little hole, which correspond to a little piece of plastic that sticks out right there. So when you do put this together, you're just going to want to make sure that your tabs and the plastic lines up, and you put them together. That one there first. And now we can screw the door back together. So now we're going to put the door back on. So you're going to line up these two hooks right here with the slots in the dryer frame. And they'll just go right in there and sit down. And then we can screw it back in. Now you can close the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.